All right, guys, we're out here working on my exhaust. Right there, you can see all those parts that I have. There's my tailpipe. My muffler is just chilling over here. So yeah, basically Jake ditched me, so I'm on my own for this one. But I'm gonna be going and cutting off the resonators that are under there, replacing those with the pipe, and then I'm gonna fill in the gap where the muffler was, and then just clamp it back to that exhaust piece, and then we'll have it come out the back like normal. So yeah, I'm just gonna start on that now, and you guys can join me because I don't have a second person with me. I got the pipe lined up there. I have this block holding it for me here. You come over here, down here. See, that's where the muffler was, right here. Just comes pipe to a pipe, then it'll connect right there, go over the axle, and out the back. I'm not gonna cut the resonators off right now because I can't find the Sawzall. So yeah, we're just gonna do this for now. All right, we're buttoning up first clamp. That's not gonna work. Pinch it down evenly on each side. Oh. Make sure that pipe stays on there. Alright, that should be good. That ain't coming off there. Alright, I'm gonna need another one right here. So let me do that. I'll be back. Next up is, got the tailpipe over here. We gotta get hung up right here. You can see where the hanger got cut off. It goes right there. So I gotta put a new hanger in. And after that, I've clamped up that second one over there. So then I'll just need one more clamp in the hanger here, and then I'll put a hanger over there somewhere. And yeah, we should be tidied up. So I'm gonna get to it. All right, so the tailpipe is officially up off of it. So it is up and hanging, it's here. It's sturdy pretty much. I just took the impact over here and tightened all these clamps. So these clamps aren't moving. That's a little tough one right there because it's got the bend. But I'm gonna put another hanger right about here because that's where the other one was, right up above there. And then yeah, it should be all done. And we'll see, we'll get a start up with it and see how it sounds because there's gonna be a bunch of shit that flies out of there. So yeah, give me about a couple minutes and I'll be back. So that wraps it up. We got a tailpipe again. We got a hanger. Hanger's up there. Oh, that hanger slid. No, I didn't. We're good. All right, hanger there. Come down over here. Hanger right there. Clamp, clamp, clamp. 2 new pipes. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get a startup for you guys. So here we go. Hell yeah. That sounds good as shit. And it's coming all the way back. You can see all that stuff shot out. That's kind of funny. I knew that was gonna happen, but damn, that sounds nice. I'm really happy with that. So we're out here later in the night. My exhaust pipe, it's settled with the clamps or the stuff or whatever. So I gotta raise it up a little bit because it is, it's way down there, and that's just not gonna do. So I'm gonna have to get it up. I want to get up to about, if I can get up, I'm gonna get it up sitting probably about there. So I'm gonna have to get it set up and then redo those clamps and tighten it up there. So I'll be round 2 now because the last bucket was too big. So I got me a good old Home Depot bucket. We're gonna go stick it under this tailpipe, keep it up. That should work perfectly. I want to get it up to about there, so I'm gonna grab a piece of wood. He's up now, so let me just pull this out. Yeah, she's sitting up a lot higher up. Still don't know if I like that. I'll probably try to get it up on a warmer day, but my hands are frozen, so that's gonna do it for tonight. Jake's going under to start cutting off a resonator. Here we go. It's gonna take you under there.
Oh, are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh, what's up, guys? Yeah, so this right here, it's pretty big on the screen. This is gonna be the resonator. that we're cutting off. So, and then we rebuilt our exhaust so that it's not just cut out. So we'll film back when we're putting on clamps to either side of this pipe. That's going to be replacing the resonator there. Yeah, so we're going to go back over here. We're going to go join Jacob. My dad's. I am really worried on where I should cut this because I don't know how this sensor is.
That's what I want to do. Don't come towards sensor.
Just go. Try going as far as I can away.
That's what I was saying. Go as far over to the side as you can.
Oh, shit. Well, no going back now. Did I even make a dent?
I don't know.
I have to cut through all this rust. So you know where your top hand is right now? Yeah. Go forearm and put it like right near the blade. I don't think I need to. That's what I did. Oh. I think the blade bent in here. There we go. Yeah, the blade bent. Hey,
holy
give me.
Dude. What the fuck you do to that?
It's on a weld point. I'm cutting like as close as I can, so someone give me a new blade.
This is his first time cutting, boys.
What?
Start arguing again. It's funny.
It's right here. Hey, you want me to like hold your hand or cup your balls? Which one do you want to do?
I hope you guys.
It's not gonna fucking hit you. How is this not going through yet?
I think it's fine.
How is it not through? Hey, hold on. You gotta push it up. Let me get this saw out of here. You ran over my fucking arm. Alright, try it again. Try just wiggling it. There it is. Yeah, this thing's hot. Yeah, because you just had it started. Alright, give me that pole. Nah, let's turn it on now. What's the difference? Because there's no resonator. Before we went through the resonator, then your tailpipe. It wasn't going through it. Yes, it was. I need to cut off a lot more. Go.
It's the next day. Jake's over here with the connector, the pipe, crawling back under.
Where do we leave off?
I've just been driving around with it cut off, you know, because we're back
it
here
fits.
now. Alright, it fits. That's all we need to know. Now we're gonna have to cut more off and fucking stick the pipe on there.
Maybe.
And hopefully be done with this shit. But this cross member really makes it a little bit difficult. Oh, she leaning. Wrap up this video, get this film this outro real quick, just to show you guys what we did. The exhaust is on there. It's actually really sturdy. You can see goes all the way back. Come over here. There's your hanger. There's your hanger, your clamps. Show you guys what Aaron did. So Aaron basically went here and he popped this connector on right there with 2 clamps. It goes over with the clamp there. And it's done. So yeah, I mean, it sounds really good. You guys heard in the last clip. I figured I'd jump on here and film this outro really quick because I'm editing this video, and I realized we kind of just left you hanging. Didn't really explain what was happening, but yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.